Good morning. Mornings can be hectic, but you deserve a moment for yourself. Even with a packed schedule, you can look and feel great in just 5 minutes. Makeup isn't about perfection, it's about confidence and showing your best self. A quick routine can help you feel awake and ready for anything. You don't need a lot of products or skills, just a few essentials to enhance your natural beauty. This guide is for everyone, especially beginners. We'll use a handful of items for a fresh, natural look. Think of this as your mini morning ritual. A pause before the day's chaos. A touch of concealer, a swipe of mascara, and a hint of color can make a big difference. You'll leave the house feeling put together and ready to tackle your day. Don't be afraid to experiment. Makeup is easy to adjust or redo. There are no strict rules, just suggestions to help you find what works for you. Follow along for clear, simple steps. Soon, this routine will be as natural as your morning coffee. Let's make every morning a beautiful one. For a quick, beautiful look, you only need a few essentials. Skip the big collections. Focus on multitasking products. You'll need a concealer that matches your skin, a creamy blush or cheek tint, and a good mascara. Mascara instantly opens up your eyes. No eyeshadow needed. An eyebrow pencil or gel tidies brows for a polished look. For lips, a tinted balm or lip tint adds color and moisture, many double as cheek color. Using one product for both cheeks and lips saves time and space. Your best tools? Your fingers. They blend cream products seamlessly. Optional. A small brush for blending and an eyelash curler for extra lift. Keep everything together in a small bag for easy access. With these basics, you're set for a fresh look in 5 minutes. Let's get started. Start with clean, moisturized skin. Use concealer only where needed, under eyes and on blemishes. Tap gently with your ring finger to blend. Avoid rubbing. Spot concealing gives coverage without heaviness. Blend edges well so the concealer disappears into your skin. Check your face in natural light for a seamless finish. Oily skin? Lightly dust with translucent powder if needed. For most, concealer alone is enough for a quick base. In just a minute, you'll look refreshed and even-toned. This step brightens your face and creates a perfect canvas. You're already looking more awake and ready for the day. Simple, fast, and effective. Let's move on to the eyes. Time to make your eyes pop. Curl your lashes for instant lift. Just a gentle squeeze for 10 seconds. Groom your brows with a pencil or gel, using light strokes to fill sparse areas. Brush through with a spoolie for a natural finish. Well-shaped brows frame your face in seconds. Next, mascara. Wipe off excess, then wiggle the wand from the base to the tips. 1 or 2 coats on top lashes is enough for definition. Add a light touch to bottom lashes if you like, but keep it minimal to avoid smudging. These quick steps make your eyes look bigger and more awake. No need for eyeshadow. Mascara and brows do the work. In 2 minutes, your eyes are defined and bright. You're ready to face the world with confidence. Simple, fast, and impactful. Let's add some color to your cheeks and lips. On to the next step. Now, let's add a healthy glow. Use a cream blush or cheek and lip tint for a natural, dewy finish. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks, then dab on a small amount. Blend upward and outward with your fingers for a seamless flush. Start light. You can always add more. The warmth of your fingers helps the product melt into your skin. For lips, use the same tint dab onto the center, then blend out with your finger. Press lips together for a soft, natural look. This 2-in-1 product saves time and keeps your look cohesive. No harsh lines, just a fresh, radiant finish. In a minute, you'll look vibrant and put together. Your face now glows with healthy color. Let's wrap up with some quick tips. Even quick routines have hiccups. Here's how to fix them fast. Keep all your products together for easy access. Too much blush? Tap a little concealer over it to tone it down. Mascara smudge? Let it dry. then flick off with a cotton swab. Practice your routine on a relaxed day to build speed and confidence. The more you practice, the faster and easier it gets. Mistakes are easy to fix. Don't stress. Organization and practice are your best friends. Soon, this routine will be second nature. You've got this. You did it. In just 5 minutes, you've created a fresh, confident look. Makeup can be simple and joyful, a quick boost to start your day. This routine celebrates your unique beauty, not hides it. Confidence is the best makeup. When you feel good, it shows. Make this routine your own. Swap colors, try new products, and have fun. There are no rules, just what makes you feel great. This is a small act of self-love and self-care. Whether you're off to work, errands, or meeting friends, you're ready. Carry that confidence with you all day. You're beautiful with or without makeup. This is just a little boost. Embrace your morning, your day, and your beauty. Go out and have a wonderful day. You deserve it. Thanks for taking this time for yourself.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.